Earlier last week, the High Court had ordered Deputy Collector to seal an illegal structure put up in the survey number 63/92 in Girkarwado, Arambol. Today, the owner of that illegal structure has given undertaking before the High Court saying that he will demolish his illegal structure within 6 weeks. Accepting that undertaking, the High Court has granted the respondent owner time of 6 weeks to demolish the structure himself. During the hearing on Wednesday, the fact also emerged before the High Court that adjacent to that illegal structure, there are two more illegal structures which are running as guest house, and it is owned by father and uncle of the Sarpanch of Village Panchayat of Arambol. Taking this fact very seriously, the High Court observed that it is like raping the eco-sensitive no development zone. The High Court also directed the Sarpanch of Arambol, who was present in the High Court that time, to immediately close down the commercial activities running in the illegal structures owned by his father and his uncle, which he has admitted to close by Thursday. Adjourning the hearing for 7th November, the High Court has also directed the Sarpanch of Arambol to file an affidavit giving the details of all the illegal structures put up in Girkarwado, as he is the Panch of Girkarwado. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.